When is Republic Day celebrated in India? On 26 January, option A. Who unfurls the flag on Republic Day of India? The President of India. Option B. He unfurls it at Kartavya Path, Delhi. Where does the Republic Day parade in India start from? From Rashtrapati Bhavan. Option D. Where does the beating retreat ceremony takes place to mark the end of Republic Day? Vijay Chowk. Option A. Who is called the first citizen of India? The President of India. Option B. How many gun salutes are presented to the President of India on Republic Day? 21 gun salutes. Option C. Republic Day is a day when the Republic of India marks and celebrates the date blank on which the Constitution of India came into effect. Option D. In which country did the concept of constitution first originate? USA. Option A. Which Government of India Act profoundly influenced the making of Indian Constitution? Government of India Act 1935. Option D. It led to the establishment of a federal system of the Indian government which divides the power between center and the states or provinces. The idea of written constitution was adopted from blank. From USA. Option B. The constitution was passed and adopted by the assembly on 26 November 1949. Option C. The Constitution of India came into effect on 26 January blank. 26 January 1950. Option C. Who among the following is known as Father of Indian Constitution? Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. Option A. Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar was India's first blank. First Law Minister. Option C. What was the full name of Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar? It was Dr. Bhim Rao Ramji Ambedkar. Option B. Who had put forward the idea of Constituent Assembly for India for the first time? M.N. Roy. Option A. When was Constituent Assembly formed to frame the Constitution of India? 9 December 1946. Option A. When did the Constituent Assembly first meet? On 9 December 1946 itself. Option B. When was the last meeting of the Constituent Assembly held? On 24 January 1950. Option C. Who among the following was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Option B. How many members were there in the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly of India? Total 7 members, including the chairman of drafting committee, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Option C. The objective resolution presented by Jawaharlal Nehru later became the blank of the Constitution. Preamble of Constitution. Option B. Which of the following article was called the heart and soul of the Indian Constitution by Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar? Article 32. Option C. Who was the first person to write the Indian Constitution by hand? Prem Bihari Narayan Raizada. Option A. Who was the first president of Republic India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Option C. Who was the chief guest on First Republic Day of India? President Sukarno of Indonesia. Option D. At present, there are blank parts and blank schedules in Indian Constitution. 25 parts and 12 schedules. Option A. From where has the national motto of India been taken? It's Mundaka Upanishad. Option C. How many Asiatic lions are there in the state emblem of India? Four Asiatic lions standing back to back. Option D. The state emblem of India was adopted on blank. On 26 January 1950. Option B. When was National Flag of India adopted? On 22nd July 1947. Option D. When was Jan Gan Man adopted as Indian national anthem? On 24 January 1950. Option C. When was Vande Mataram adopted as Indian national song? On 24 January 1950 itself. Option C. Which of the following was not a function of Constituent Assembly? Adoption of the national language. Option B. National Bravery Awards are given on blank. On 26 January. Option C. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.